Hey cocoa lovers, how we doing? We're back again and we're baking. We're baking for Easter. So what we're making is, it's a speckled cocoa cake. Very light, fluffy, frosting, and then the inside very moist. Are you ready? Add in the eggs. We're gonna start mixing already, and later on you add the sugar gradually. So what we're looking for right now is we want the sugar and the eggs to be properly combined until it's nice and fluffy, a yellow, a pale color. Nice and foamy, airy. That's what we're looking for. So let it go. It's gonna take, let's say, between 5 and 8 minutes. Sometimes you have a bit of sugar at the bottom. I'm gonna try to loosen that up. So this is nice and fluffy. Beautiful air in there. And you don't need the KitchenAid anymore. This will help you control the mixing and that you don't overmix the cake batter. And the vanilla, add this one in there. And then we want to add this gradually. We're gonna go ahead and sift all the ingredients together. The flour, the cocoa powder, and the salt as well. One spoon at a time. Take it easy. Take your time. We let it bake for 30 to 35 minutes. My choice of frosting is I'm going with a whipped ganache, a very light, fluffy ganache. The original recipe calls for glucose, but yeah, normally you wouldn't have that at home, being a home baker, so you can substitute it for honey and add in the gelatin leaves. Go ahead and mix this carefully. Now you can see that the chocolate is already melted. After you have the base of the whipped ganache ready, we're going to add some color. So you add in the color until you have the desired pastel that you want. You want to preferably do this overnight so that it can be nice when you whip it up. Let the butter cool off for a minute and add that one last. Add this into the oven, bake it for 3 to 4 minutes or until it's nice and golden brown. You want to go for a very thin cookie, right? So add a dollop in the middle. Almost the same timing as the other ones in the mold. I like to take off the top and then see what I'm working with. Be careful. Soft, moist, creamy, with a slight touch of bitterness at the end.